So when you're looking at people that want to come to work at the Morey Corporation, and they come in, they sit down across the table from you, what are you looking for?
So I'm a huge fan of Patrick Lencioni. So I obviously have my own spin on what I'm looking for,
Sure.
but what he says an ideal team player is someone that is humble, hungry, and smart. And so humble is self-explanatory. Having humility to inspire a group or people or a team, or not taking all the credit of, or having to take your humble pie when you screw up and you own up to it. Hungry is that drive to win that, I see in a lot of our teammates.
Yep.
I'd name them all, but I think I'd
miss
somebody or I'd embarrass them. And then smart is really, I think, less about how much you know, but your willingness to learn.
Yeah.